Hey there, if you're a homeowner, you'll want to listen closely. Today, I'm talking about something that's often overlooked but super important, your boiler service. You might be thinking, why should I bother? Well, let me tell you why skipping it is a big mistake. First off, your boiler is like the heart of your home, providing heat and hot water. But just like any hard-working machine, it needs regular checkups to keep running smoothly. Neglecting it can lead to some pretty serious issues. One of the biggest dangers is carbon monoxide poisoning. This invisible, odorless gas can be deadly. A faulty boiler can leak carbon monoxide, putting you and your family at risk. Regular servicing can help detect and prevent these leaks before they become a problem. Another thing to consider is efficiency. Over time, your boiler can become less efficient, meaning it has to work harder and use more energy to do the same job. This not only hikes up your energy bills, but also puts more wear and tear on the system. A service can tune everything up, keeping it running efficiently and saving you money in the long run. Now let's talk about reliability. No one wants their boiler to break down in the middle of winter. Regular servicing can help catch small issues before they turn into big, costly problems. It's much better to deal with a small fix now than an emergency repair later. And don't forget about the warranty. Many boiler manufacturers require you to have an annual service to keep the warranty valid. Skipping it could mean you're not covered if something goes wrong. So, regular servicing is a small price to pay for peace of mind. But it's not just about safety and money. A well-maintained boiler is more environmentally friendly. By ensuring your boiler is running efficiently, you're reducing your carbon footprint. It's a win-win for you and the planet. So what should you do? Simple. Book a professional to service your boiler at least once a year. It's a quick, easy process that can save you a lot of hassle down the line. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. To wrap it up, don't let your boiler become the forgotten appliance in your home. Taking the time to get it serviced regularly can protect your home, save you money, and even help the environment. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home tips. See you next time.